And this is called My Early Valentine. For me, the 13th, a garish, guilty gift, surreptitiously, stealthily stolen out, rarely wrapped and without ribbons. The 14th is hers. I cook a celebration meal before bed. Small, he has already been fed. A pretend cafe in a dream, no risk to be in public seen. Candles, red wine, one glass, he has to drive. His hands the curves of my body track, while I take care my nails on his back leave no mark. I feel him swell in me, I writhe, arching. His hands placed on hers in daily comfort. My head follows him home. Later, alone in bed, a second pillow for his head. He says that he still smells me there, perfume. He says he fears he will whisper my name. For me, the 13th, but not the tousled hair, the sleepy-eyed morning kiss, one of the many things I miss. She has the 14th.
Okay, this is my latest poem. I knew I'd get it out sooner or later. It's called The Softest Peach. I know I left destroying all that's yours, confessing that I crushed the softest peach, and fate informs me with its noblest scores that with this done you're now beyond my reach. A fool I'd wished for more of life to live, a selfish move to keep me loved but wild, as chasing pretty girls I'd seldom give one thought to who or why my love was filed. Now soaked eyelashes cling, all clumps and tear, I keep you far away to stop the sting, but stalty streaks upon your cheeks so dear, your heart of laughter now a broken thing. I draw no comfort having set this course, surer now than then your heaven's source.
And this is called For My Mother. They told me you were gone, but they were wrong. I meet you every moment of the day. Nothing is lost when all in love lives on. I hear you in the notes of my son's song, pressed from the keys where you learnt how to play. They told me you were gone, but they were wrong. Our slope of eyelid, curve of ear belong to you, reflect you in each detailed way. Nothing is lost when all in love lives on. Weakness is shed, fragile yet mother strong, fearlessly you have cast the husk away. They told me you were gone, but they were wrong. Now you are changeless, now remembered young, as my face turns to you with time's slow sway. Nothing is lost when all in love lives on. Mine is the mother's hand now, mine the long journey on paths where you have mapped my way. They told me you were gone, but they were wrong. Nothing is lost when all in love lives on. Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rave at close of day. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Though wise men at their end know dark is right, because their words had forked no lightning, they do not go gentle into that good night. Good men, the last wave by, crying how bright their frail deeds might have danced in a green bay. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Wild men who caught and sang the sun in flight, and learned too late they grieved it on its way. Do not go gentle into that good night. grave men near death, who see with blinding sight, blind eyes could blaze like meteors and be gay. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. And you, my father, there on that sad height, curse, bless me now with your fierce tears. I pray, do not go gentle into that good night. Rage, rage against the dying of the light.
This is Chess Lover by Corwyn Allen. Red and white, the pieces on the board face one another, staring across the checkered abyss. A pawn moves, opening the way for a knight to gallop out and do battle with a bishop, while high in their castles the queens look down. Is that disdain upon their faces, or is it pity for the player so trapped by the game that he cannot see the trap he has laid for himself? We never seem to know precisely what move will win the game, or cause us to topple over like a dead king. We can only play, and in the playing hope that if we win, we win. What we win is really the thing for which we strive. Red and white, the pieces on the board face one another, staring down at the player as his pierced heart beats out its last. Thank you, Corwyn.
And it's called Sister. Hello, sister, from far, far away. How are you? How is life on that side of the ocean? I miss you. I miss you terribly. Everything is okay around here, I suppose. I'm still breathing and smiling every once and again. I feel lonely, though, and I can't help but wonder, can you see the stars I am seeing? Can you feel the warm breeze I am feeling? Can you hear the wind sound I am hearing? Can you taste the sweet tea I am tasting? Oh, sister, for how long I've prayed to find you. For how long I've prayed for you to see what I see, for you to feel what I feel, hear what I hear, taste what I taste, right by my side. Oh, sister, for how long I've prayed for you to find me, for how long I've prayed for you to see me, for how long I've prayed, and for how long I will keep praying. Oh, sister, I pray for the planet to shrink, so that I can turn round and find you. I pray for the universe to be by my side, so that I can find the strength to wait for you. I pray for the stars to keep shining, so that I won't get lost in the darkness on my way to you. Oh, sister, do you think my prayers are being heard? Can you, my sweetheart, see them, feel them, hear them, taste them? Oh, my hope, are you still far away? I can see you. There, the light in the end of the tunnel. I can feel you here, the heat that warms my heart. I can hear you there, your enchanting voice. I can taste you here, the sweetness of your words. Oh, my sister, do you think my prayers are being heard? I pray for you to find your way. I pray for you never be deceived. I pray for you to be happy. Sighs, I pray for you to never forget me. You must forgive me for my selfishness, my sweetheart, but you found me, and I'm afraid to yet again get lost. Oh, my hope, are you still far away? The stars are still shining, the breeze is still blowing, the wind is still singing, the tea is still warm. And I'm still waiting for you, my sister from far, far away.